Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel, RC Morty Hobbies. I'm Josh, and I have another update for you. So, for this update, I just wanted to show you my progress with the tunnels, which will end up being a mountain, and probably have a nice little building set on top, little houses and stuff, be up high. Pretty cool. And I decided to do that because I just want as much space as possible, because I have a lot of buildings, and I just want things to look cool with mountains and tunnels. Always going to do that area as a tunnel, but decided not to, do something different with that. I do have a turnout for that, and I'm probably going to add another turnout. I have two of them for that end. But as you can see for the tunnels, it's already looking decent, and the inside of the tunnels will get painted black, because if you don't, you'll just see white as they're going through, especially when you're filming. This is a tunnel piece. This is for my last project I had 8 years ago. I saved them, I'm glad I did. Painted and all that, because the ones that actually came with this kit that I bought recently were broken. Yes, they can be repaired, but you know, these are already set. All I need is 4, and I have 4. So basically they'll fit like that. Train goes through, it looks really cool. And you have a whole mountain that goes on top with a couple houses and a road. Very nice. I mean, basically to be able to get ready to do this tunnel stuff, first you lay your plaster cloth down on top of your foam, which is this stuff right here. Looks pretty good. You cut strips out of it, lay it down, and you spray it with water. Works really well. I usually would dip it in water. I found out that, that's just incredibly messy, so I figured, just use a spray bottle this time. Worked really well. Very simple, less mess. There's some mess, but not as much as it normally would be. After that, you glue your foam track bed down, or cork bed. I mean, you can or can't, it's up to you. I do it. I think it looks cool, because the way they have these edges cut into it, as you can see here, they're angled. You glue. And this already has some of the old stuff in here, but you glue your ballast on the edges and all that. It looks really cool. And then after that road track goes on, you put your actual track in here, and this one's been glued in. Got some pins in it, but tomorrow will be fully set and put the pins out. This one I didn't get to tonight because it took several hours just to get to this point. But I'm doing the tunnel part like this because this is basically the progress, and then you cut. And once you get the tunnels and this stuff glued in, you put a little bit of ballast on the edges, and you paint the inside of the tunnels black, and then you'll be building it up with foam covering, and I get a whole back part that's going to go in here. There's an access panel to reach just in case you get a derailment or you fix something. So that'd be nice. Yeah, then so this is how you do this first, and then it'll be a little bit of time before I actually put the rest of this track bed down and everything else out. Done, but this is what you do when you're building a tunnel system, because this will be completely covered once time to finish laying down these tracks. And I use Woodland Sinks foam tack glue. There's other stuff out there, but I've been working with Woodland Sinks products for a lot, and I like their stuff, so I just figured to keep on using them. That's why I bought a whole other kit. That's why I bought a kit. Just use the pieces to build this up, and then buy extra stuff to add where I need it. Yep. Well, that's where I'm at. I mean, eventually this will be completely finished, but I figured I'd give you guys another update since it's been a while since I filmed, and I got one up to you guys, I think yesterday or the day before that, so I'll get you guys another one out there, huh? Get you guys another one. Okay, well, that's the update. I'll talk to you guys. Okay, so don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment if you like, hit the like button, turn on notifications so you know when new stuff comes out, and I'll talk to you guys soon.